sustainability approach. Sustainability approach in that first domestic level. So domestic level here, domestic level, many in society have grown normal to reusing, recycling glass, paper, plastic, etc. So you might have seen municipal committee, municipal system. What they are doing, they are green waste energy and they are collecting plastic separate. Okay, so they are separating the plastic papers or plastic items, everything they are separating. So here reusing and recycling glass, paper, plastic, etc. So what is recycling here? Recycling utilizes additional time, money, resources, energy plus an extensive organization effort to extract, sort, redistribute discarded item raw materials. So when recycling, okay, recycling need additional time, okay, because we need to collect the materials, okay, raw materials, and it is a money resources and it is a energy plus extensive organization effort to extract. So if you want to recycle of any product, okay, so we need to collect the raw materials from different places, right? So they will not give a exact one, again we need to separate it, okay. So for that so much effort is required to extract the raw materials. So for, next after getting the raw materials we need to differentiate that, okay, separate it, and we need to make it recycling, okay. For recycling also additional time is wasted, additional time is required, money is wasted, okay. So additional money is required for that. This is for recycling. Next is reuse. So reuse means, in for example home plastic toothbrush, okay. So if we use that as for designing of any designing purpose, okay, if we use any designing purpose, then that will be reuse, okay. That is nothing but a reuse. Recycling means totally changing, okay. Recycling means, for example, any plastic bucket or plastic is there, that is converted into another product, okay. Two products converted into new product, that is recycling, okay. So reuse means the same product using it for the different purpose, that is a reuse. So reuse preserves these resources, including the value of the materials, labor, technology. No need of labors, okay, to extract the materials or anything not required. So we can use reuse. So here energy incorporated in the manufacturing process. Next here three options in the reuse recycle category are provided. So one is a repair and overhaul. So for example camera, so whatever the camera they will collect, okay, in a different places, and remanufacturing involves the collection of valuable parts, for example maybe mobile camera, so digital or valuable products, okay. So valuable parts, maybe either TV components, okay. So it may be the software related components. So valuable products that are refurbished in a factory and is set to meet the same specification as new products, okay. same specification as new products. For example, camera company reload the repackages and resells. Next is a deposit refund. Deposit refund means in some places what they do means they plastic paper. So if we give a some, for example 1 kg plastic paper, they give some amount. Okay, so like that. So it is a which a company offers the consumer a financial incentive to return packaging for reuse. So company is offering them to use it and give back to the company mm, for giving back. They are giving a financial incentive to return packaging for reuse. Okay, so here cradle to cradle. Cradle to cradle means extraction of resources, plastic, it may be plastic, bottles, plastic covers, bottles, etc. Okay. Next it will go to the production. Next it will go to the use. Okay. Next after that again recycling and it is waste. So according to this sector, the mindset of the individual industrial revolution with its reliance on seemingly never-ending abundance of resources must be replaced. So here a closed loop system is one in which the manufacturers or retailer provides packaging that is returnable. Okay, so some products, for example, some products what they do means it may be the lotion or it may be the powder in it or it may be any eating products in it. So that outside the cover bottle or anything, so that they will mention it is a reusable. Okay, so that can be give back to the company so that they will recycle. Okay, they will change the and they will recycle to the new product. So here what they are saying, in which the manufacturers or retailer provides packaging that is returnable and or reusable but does not address the waste product generated. So two examples of this resource recovery system with respect to the packaging industry are returnable plastic grocery containers and dry cleaner wire hanger. So plastic grocery containers, okay, plastic grocery containers and dry cleaner wire hangers. So these two are recovering. This can be returned to them and it is used for the recover. Okay, so that is what provides packaging that is returnable and reusable, so that can be reused. Plastic covers. Okay, so groceries, it will be for example salt packet. Okay, that cover can be used for the same purpose. They go with the cleaning process and they use it again. Okay, so that can be reused again. So the plastic grocery containers and dry cleaner wire hangers. Remember here plastic grocery and wire hanger. Wire hanger. Next is a benchmark sustainability. Starting what we have seen is that is domestic level. This is a domestic level, in that you remember recycling, reuse. Okay, so when we go with the recycling, when the for recycling money is required, time is required, raw materials is required, but for reuse nothing you can utilize for easily. Okay, no materials is required, labor technology is required here for the reuse. Here repair and overhaul, in that remember the camera is the example because remanufacturing it involves, and here deposit refund. So here you remember plastic papers, nowadays they are giving a money for the plastic papers to collect the plastic papers. And here incentive, that is financial incentive to return packaging for reuse, cradle to cradle. So here also same, that is plastic grocery and containers and dry cleaner wire hangers. So here also they will give back to the company. Okay, manufacturers or retail provides packaging that is returnable and reusable but does not address the waste product generated. Next is the benchmark sustainability. Starting in 2001, the American Institute of Chemical Engineers decided to strike out a new strategic direction, and a number of new initiatives were begun. So these new areas include biotechnology materials. So biotechnology materials technology, sustainable development, AICHE ultimately formed the Institute for Sustainability. So they have made the institution for sustainability. Okay, in 2004, to promote the society, to promote the societal, economical, environmental benefit to sustainable and green engineering. So if IFS serve the needs and influence the efforts of professionals in industry, academia and government, IFS established an industry group center for sustainable technology practices to address the practical issue of sustainability implementation with member of companies including BP, that is BASE, BASF, Dow, Cytec, Honeywell, DuPont, Air Products and FMC and Shell. So here IFS established in an industry group center for sustainable technology. So either it may be that is CSTP, Center for Sustainable Technology Practices, to address the practical issues of sustainability implementation with manner companies including BASF, Dow, Cytec, Cytec, Honeywell, DuPont, Air Products, FMC and Shell.